The Knick-Knack Man's Journey.
In a sunny meadow, an old man with a kind face walks, a handcrafted instrument held gently in his hands. He smiles, eyes twinkling as he begins to play a familiar tune. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb. A tiny fairy appears, alighting on his thumb, as the song continues. With a knick-knack paddywhack, give the dog a bone, and a friendly dog wags its tail in time with the music. An old man shuffles into the bustling town square, his weathered hands finding comfort around a worn harmonica. He settles on a cobblestone step, and a familiar tune spills from the harmonica, filling the square with a nostalgic melody. This old man, he played knick-knack on my door. The town's main door bursts open, and a lively dance party spills out onto the square as a dog playfully weaves through the crowd. With a knick-knack paddywhack, give the dog a bone. The old man sings, his music blending with the joyous chaos. Under the vast starlit expanse, an old man stands silhouetted against the night, his eyes fixed on the celestial canvas above. As he plays a haunting tune, a constellation above twinkles with sudden brilliance, showering the field in gentle stardust. This old man, he played knick-knack up in heaven. With a knick-knack paddywhack, give the dog a bone, he sings as his dog barks joyously at the falling stars.